the future might hold together. The days that followed the wedding brought a new rhythm to life at the manor. Ilara and Lucien settled into a quiet companionship that filled the once lonely halls with warmth. Gabriel, their loyal steward, found his spirits lifted by the brighter atmosphere, no longer burdened by the weight of silence and neglect. With Ilara's keen eye for order and Lucien's growing confidence, the estate began to transform. The dusty corridors were swept clean, windows thrown open to invite fresh air, and the once stifling rooms slowly came back to life. The servants, though few, found renewed purpose, and even the garden bloomed brighter under Ilar's attentive care. Lucien's library became their sanctuary, surrounded by shelves lined with ancient tomes and countless volumes of philosophy, poetry, and science. The two spent long hours discussing ideas and sharing thoughts. Ilara, though less learned, absorbed the knowledge eagerly, inspired by Lucien's passion and insight. Yet, there were still moments when shadows crept in. Lucien's past regrets and the loneliness that had defined so many years sometimes weighed heavily on him. At those times, Ilara's presence was a balm reminder that he was no longer bound by the isolation that had once consumed him.